How to enable autoplay on video on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on autoplay videos on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. And here under Settings and Privacy, just tap on Settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, what you can do is you can simply scroll down to the Preferences section, and there you can just tap on Media. And now here under Media, if you scroll down there, you will see the option labeled as Scroll to the next reel. So here you have to make sure to toggle on this option. And here, once you do that, you have successfully enabled autoplay videos on Facebook. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.